I'm pushing. I'm pushing.
I dare you.
Please, baby, can't you see my mind's burning hell? I have razors ripping and tearing and stripping my heart apart as well. Tonight you tell me that you wait for something new, and some other woman is looking like something that might be good for you. Go on and hold her till the screaming is gone. Go on, believe her when she tells you nothing's wrong. Just soy la única que va a través del fuego por ti. Y soy la única que va por ti. It's only fear that makes you run the demons that you're hiding from. With all your promised hands all gone, now the ever-ready world.
I love you, Will.
It's only fear that makes you run the demons that you're hiding from. With all your promised hands all gone,
All right. That was the most stressful thing I've ever gone through in my life.
Me too.
I'm sure it was more stressful for you, but don't worry about that because you're on. You made it.
Oh my God.
What's your name, first of all?
My name is Karina Iglesias.
Hello.
What?
Karina Iglesias.
Karina.
Karina.
No relation, no relation.
Eres latina, Karina.
Claro que sí.
What is wrong with you?
I was going through that same stress.
Canteo pedacito en español.
Yeah, you tell her.
Yo también estaba estresadísima.
Inglés, por favor.
Hey, I heard the word button in that.
No, that's wrong.
I didn't?
It's incorrect. He can't even understand you. No, but for real,
No, ¿por qué
listen.
no presioné el botón? Me voy a
You
morir.
can't. Don't. You pull out your Spanish right now. So listen. Listen,
What's
Melissa
wrong
Etheridge.
with me? What's wrong with me? Can you?
Cállate.
I'll give you that one. That was pretty cool.
That song is mega. And at first, I was comparing it to Melissa Etheridge, and I was thinking, why am I doing this? You know, you're Karina Iglesias. And I felt like for the first time on the show, that possibly towards the end, that the light fixtures were just going to explode. Because you are a great singer, and you really do deserve to be here, so congratulations.
Thank you so much.
I'll tell you, can I just speak for a second? Because I need to get this off my chest. I did not pick you, but you are terrific. You are really, really amazing.
Thank you very much.
I love your voice.
When I was listening to you sing, it was almost like you were pushing the gas pedals. Like, oh, okay, you think this is as fast as I can go? Watch this. Watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this. It was like all of a sudden by the end, you were hitting these notes that we were going,
Like a volcano.
no way. It was so much power. Where do you get all that energy from? Have you been singing for a long time?
I've been singing since I was a kid. I get it from my abuelita, my grandma, who's watching right now. Abuelita.
That means grandma.
What did she say?
Abuelita.
You're going to have to
Abuelita.
really speak slowly to him.
Karina, who do you pick as your coach?
All right.
What do you say? Come on. Help her.
I'm really happy to be saying these words, and I've been wanting to say these words ever since I started watching the show. I'm gonna pick Adam.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Kick some ass. All right? Karina's awesome. She's a badass singer. I'm happy that I got her. I'm happy that I stole her from Blake.